Hello and welcome to, unfortunately, not a new tutorial, but an update to the previous video that I uploaded, where I explained you how you can send your Apple Notes to a Notion database. Unfortunately, I forgot something in the setup for the shortcut that doesn't involve make.com. So the one that involves make.com works as it is perfectly like that. However, the one that only includes Apple Shortcuts, so the Notion module within Apple Shortcuts, there's something that doesn't work as intended. So let's open the shortcut and actually run it as it is, so as we set it up in the video together. So I run it. And it works, so I get the notification that a database item was created. But when we now check the database, we see that all three nodes were entered as just one database item. That's of course not what we want. We want all three nodes entered as a single database item each. So what do we have to change here? There's a very simple solution. So we search for the module that is called repeat with each. And we drag and drop the module create a page with inside this repeat with each. That seems to be a bit difficult, but here we have it. So, and now you see in red, we get already told that we have to change something because like this, it doesn't work. So we click new page URL and clear this variable. And then we click again and choose select variable and choose the very first module. So the result of the very first module, which is note. And inside this repeat with each module, we have now our create page with module. And here we also have to change something. So we clear the two variables that are called name and body. The database name, in which case here it is Apple Notes. This can remain as it is, so this we don't need to touch. Now we click on title and we select variable, and now we select here the repeat item. And then here we can also choose all the properties that we could choose before when we selected note. So we can also choose here name, which is then the name or the title of the note. We close this, and for body we do the same. Select variable, repeat item, and then body here. Okay, and that's it. That's everything that we have to change. And when we run it now, click play, then we have our three nodes entered as single database items. Okay, so this is how you can fix the problem that the shortcut before only entered one database item no matter how many nodes you want to transfer. I'm very sorry that I only tested it with one single node and not with multiple, but here's the solution how you can easily fix this. I hope it helps you, and then see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.